Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to this session in which the purchase order is being developed, or rather it is, and the sale order is being converted into the purchase order. Most of the work we have done, still the line item calculation is today's agenda. So let's go to our index and let me add a project here. My adding a new lesson is this one, right? Okay, fair enough. So in this, we are going to uh, focus on the line items calculation, price calculation, right? Line items, price calculation. Although the price calculation was already done in the sale order, so it should be working, but that there is a difference between the sale order price line item price calculation and the purchase order. That in the sale order we have the discount, but in the price calculation here, and that is the cost calculation line item, we can make it, instead of price calculation, we make it a cost calculation. Yeah? Cost. There it is simply the unit cost multiplied by the quantity. So no discount. So the discount is a tax, and it might be start giving the error. We will rectify it wherever the price is giving error. We will remove the discount, and our price calculation portion will be complete. So it's a very simple thing now. Okay, let's go to the purchase order, an existing purchase order, for example. Don't worry if some error comes, we will handle it. Okay, so for example, we are taking this, we press enter. So it has brought this information, right? So it has one line item, 10 quantity of $half, and that is 5. That's right, okay? So we don't worry about this, the remark error. Yeah. All we need to do is the price, when we click here, so it will bring these things up, right? And it will start working. Okay. One thing we can do that we can shift this information up and bring this information down, so that it's a, let's do it again. Okay, we can do it later. First of all, let's click here so that the error comes, because it would be trying to multiplying quantity into this and minus discount. Discount is a space, right? So that's why this is a type mismatch error. Okay, then this discount is making problem. Remove this discount. We don't need in purchase order anything in that. And it is, since it is exclusive, it's a copy, so we can do this. We are not actually harming to the system. That don't think that the sale order will get disturbed. No, the sale order is a different module and purchase order is different one. Okay, so let's ask it to go ahead. It is going ahead. Another error, and in which the again the discount is making the problem. Remove this discount. Okay, and let's tell it to go ahead. So it will again come here. So this is discount is making problem. Remove the discount because it is not applicable at the moment. Okay, so it has now cleared. So the amount is properly calculated, and this is now here. Let's go to some other order. It has multiple items, right? If we select one, yes, it there's no error coming, and if we click here, no error comes. So this is done. The next thing is then we bring this information up, right? This is regarding the selected item, that how much purchases have so far been posted, how many sold, how much is on hold. Wait, this is just informative things, right? So what we want is that shift all these things up and bring this down so that we know the discount is not related to this, it is related to this. Okay, the amount is related to amount. This is the amount, right? Not to come here. So let's bring it down and do it right away. It's a very short thing to do. It is not a very long process. Let's get back to the form, and this is our form. Let's maximize it, right? Okay, and we click what? We click here, right? So this is the form, and we make temporarily make a room for it, okay? So that we can move this thing down. Yeah, we have moved it down and move this up. Okay, we move this up. Okay, and we move this up again. We move this up again. I'm sorry, got ambitious. We have to be careful. Yeah, yes. Okay, that's it. And we extend it properly so that it reaches here. And also, you don't need such a big for the amount. You may need this to be extended. That's right. Okay. So let's go and see if this works. Yeah. So if we go back to this, click enter. This is our order. Now this makes sense. This is a product, this is quantity, this is unit price, this is discount, this is amount, and here comes the remarks, right? Okay. And if we click in here, it brings the changes appropriately, right? And we bring this, we click it here. So it is shifted, that's right. Hey, so we have made another improvement that the calculation error has been resolved, and also we want to rename this. This is actually not GRN. This is a supplier details in this tab, right? This would be required, and we will bring the supplier detail in here. So let's get back to the form. This is our form, and we rename it as whatever we write here, it is going to appear here. So this is a supply detail. Okay, this is a supply detail. This is the payments, and this is the PO detail, and that's it. Okay, so far so good. Okay, so this is our today's progress of this purchase order form. I hope you are enjoying it, and I look forward to your participation in our upcoming videos for further enhancement. And we will soon move on from, because most of the things, validations, etc., have already been utilized from sale order. So we don't have to do it. Not much time will be required. Only we are converting the sale order into the purchase order system gradually and there are some differences, of course, in the sale order. That in sale order, the quantity function is based. It invokes the validation that the things which you are ordering, which you are entering the as an ordered item. So whether that is available in the stock or not. If not, then it would restrict the quantity. But this is not the case for the purchase order. Any quantity which is being ordered, you don't care whether they are on the stock uh, sufficiently or not. Since the order has been approved, it is deliberately submitted for approval. Of course, you want that to be in to be GRN, to be taken into the inventory. So if we go to the sale order and we will remove the validation in which the stock checking is, so that part will be removed in our next upcoming video. Okay, thank you very much for joining.